All right, brother, what's going on, yo? So, I am making this video just for you, but I'm also doing an experiment to see if I can make it general for other people so that they can see how to do things when they first log in. So, when you first come in to SuperHumans United, which is our name for our online community here, which is freaking awesome, you'll see this little initial question that you already asked or answered. What is the food you'll miss the most? So, it's like a little getting started question. And then you'll also see this welcome section. So in this welcome section, I want you to go through the different posts that are in here. Forget the recipe one, the food that you think you'll give up. You've already done that. What is a symptom or condition that you want to improve or whatever? And then the start here and the purpose right here. I'm probably going to go in and change those things now that I'm seeing it from an end user perspective, because what I did was create a ghost account to come in here and see what people see. So anyway, those are the things you want to get through, is this little welcome section, which mainly is the why we built SuperHumans United. What is the food you'll miss, which you did. What is a symptom or condition that you're dealing with or have dealt with that you would like to have a protocol for, and then the start right here. Okay, and those things are going to be updated here soon. Now, really important too is to come up to your little personal icon here and make sure that you view your profile and add a picture and answer all the different questions. So when you come in here, you're going to do the spectrum, and that is how long have you been with SHT, which yours is going to be a short period of time, which is great. It's fine. You can add your personal links here. Personal links means like things like your Facebook and LinkedIn and anything else that you have. This is also where you can do a little bit about yourself. It's a short little kind of bio, and then your spectrum is it gives you some answers. And then introduce yourself, and then any courses or groups or things that you want to be a part of. All right, so you do that, and it's going to look really cool. People will get to know you really well. All right, so set up your profile, give us a picture and all that kind of stuff, and then go through the little welcome section. Right now, once you've done that, just to show you how to use this whole thing, you can search for anything up here. If it's a specific recipe or an answer to a question, just start typing it in, and this will pull it up. So say I wanted bone stock. Ooh, not bone stock, bone stock. Now it starts to pull up all posts associated with bone stock. All right. I can also come over here to my topics, and I have within my topics how to use SuperHumans United. So that will give you every post we've done on how to use the SuperHumans United. We've got all our real food and nutrition posts. We've got an amazing recipe index here. So once you click in recipes, you can scroll down and you'll see every recipe that we have, or you can search within this topic, for whatever it is, like something chicken based. And the search index is awesome. All right, so I'll pull up every chicken recipe. Also within recipes, if I want to share a comment, this comment will stay within the recipes topic. Okay. And then also in the topics, if you want to learn about something else, we have some posts associated with our other foundations. All right. Now back to the main feed. To get back to the main feed, you just click on the SHT shield here. Now we're back in what looks like a Facebook feed. Right. So we have that first question that you already answered. And then when you scroll down, you'll see other little posts. Right. Now, I can't see it right now because, yeah. There, I X'd out of it. Now, once you answer that question, every time you log in, you'll see this little area right here, which is share what's on your mind. This is like a quick Facebook post. So if you just want to say, hey guys, what's up? Just wanted to share something. You could do a picture, a video, a link to something, an attachment. If you wanted to ask a question, like say, what are some ideas for breakfast? Then you can hit this little pie icon and it will change it to a question, and then it will show up as a question just like this right here. It's big bold letters, and it encourages people to share an answer. So if you have a question, turn it into a question. If you just want to keep it as a post, then you can X out of the question and just keep it as a post, where you're stating something. Now this is for like a quick little update. If you want to do an in-depth post, you can click on this plus button and you can create what is known as an article. So when you do an article, you have the ability to do a lot of rich text formatting. So here we can put a header title, so about my hunting trip, right? If you wanted to share your hunting trip, you can come in here and you could type a bunch of stuff. And then you could hit this plus sign. You can add a picture, a video, an attachment, right? You can do multiple lines, multiple pictures. Once you have multiple lines, if you highlight them, it gives you some formatting options. You can give yourself a bullet. You can undo the bullet. You can do a header, which means basically you're giving it like a bold with different sizes, right? You can undo the header, and then you can also do bold and italic, right? So this is like an in-depth article versus just a little quick post update, all right? So the final thing I just want you to see in here is we have some courses. You come over here to courses, anything that you want to learn about that we've done so far, you have in here. And when you click on a course, then you're going to see the overview and then the different sections, right? And then there's videos and little goals with each section. So if you want to do your own self-learning, you can go into the courses. Otherwise, I think the most beneficial thing that you can do for yourself is every day come in here and just scroll down and see what the latest things are. If you think it's interesting, if you think it's a good thing, like it. Maybe make a comment. If it's something you don't like, then that's fine too. Make a comment. If it's something that stirs you in any way, just participate, because this is all about other people getting engaged and interacting with each other. Okay, so if you see a post and it stirs you in any way, like or comment or something, and that would be really useful. Okay, so excited to have you in here, man. This thing is going to grow and turn into something amazing. Oh, by the way, you can see the members that we have in here. We have about 60. You click on members. You can scroll down and see everyone that's in here. I'm hoping to get a bunch of your family in here too. Okay. All right, man. That is all I got. We are out.